We did, Judge. He's asked me to make one last pitch to you that he will that he would like to be given a chance on probation. He understands that he just got put on probation and hadn't done much. But I've been able to speak to him about being able to get on and do what he needs to do. Um, but he does want to ask for one opportunity to do probation again.
But did the court receive plea paperwork? Does anybody have plea papers on Mr. Aguilar?
Not yet, Judge.
Okay, got it. Okay. Good afternoon. This is Judge Alyssa Perez presiding over the 210th District Court criminal docket for December 12th, 2023. All matters being heard today are being heard in accordance with all protocol for remote proceedings. In addition to that, we are streaming live via YouTube for public viewing. Mr. Marufo, would you call our first case, please?
In cause number 2023-0D00319, State of Texas versus David Aguilar. Announcement of counsel.
Mr.
Mr.
Vandenberg, you're
Vandenberg, you're
muted.
on mute.
Thank you. David Vandenberg on behalf of the state. The state is ready.
Chris Anchona on behalf of Mr. Aguilar, Judge, we are ready.
And we are scheduled for a probation status hearing. Mr. Aguilar is appearing remotely from the jail annex. Mr. Anchondo, you had something for the court?
Yes, Judge, just very briefly, Mr. Aguilar would ask that he be given an opportunity to do probation again. I guess before he wasn't explained adequately the nature of what he was going to be doing on probation or how to get in touch with people. I've since talked to him about it, and he would ask the court, in your honor, if he would be able to be given a second chance to be able to go and report. It looks like when he got onto probation, he didn't do much of anything. And I know that there's some restitution that's owed, and so he would like to be given the opportunity to take care of that and do what he needs to do, Judge.
Mr. Vandenberg, did you have any input on that?
I do, Your Honor. The state is opposed to that. Mr. Aguilar has substantial criminal history, both in Texas, not both, Texas, Arizona, and New Mexico. This is not his first time around, Your Honor. He knows what is required with probation. This is not a surprise. His cases out of New Mexico: battery against a household member, concealing identity, warrant for failure to appear. In Arizona, possession of narcotics, second narcotics, probation revocation on that time, disorderly conduct, fighting, failure to appear, theft of credit card. And here in Texas, one DWI, possession of a controlled substance, burglary of habitation. He's been around, Your Honor. This is nothing new to him. If he does not want to plead to that, we can just go ahead and have a patient hearing, Your Honor.
Had we discussed a number?
Yeah, Judge, it's the minimum too, and he'll accept it. It's just a matter of him asking the court for an opportunity.
So no, Mr. Aguilar, I am not going to continue you on probation. There's nothing to continue. You never started. And so, what is do you already have paperwork, Mr. Anchondo?
I do, Judge, and I can get that filled out and sent over to the court as soon as possible.
What we're going to do is we're going to reset to Thursday morning, and it will be in person. So
okay,
we can
Judge.
Accomplish a plea. Okay. If
Your
something
Honor, I just sent copy. I'm sorry.
But
I sent copies to the court just now.
okay. But they haven't been signed by Mr. Aguilar, right?
No, Your Honor.
No, Judge, I'll get those to you, the court.
Okay. Okay. We'll see you on Thursday. Thank you.
Judge.
All right. Who's next?
Towards the bottom of page 18, Judge. Annex, may we have Marquez, Jennifer Marquez.
That Miss Marquez? Yes. Go ahead.
in cause number 2021-0D02208 and 2018-0D01848 and 2020-0D02725, State of Texas versus Jennifer Marquez. Announcement of council, please.
Teller taker for the state. The state is ready.
Todd Dunham and Miss Jennifer Marquez, we're ready, Your Honor.
And Ms. Marquez is appearing remotely from the jail annex. We're scheduled for bond hearings in each of her cases. Mr. Dunham, you may proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, Ms. Marquez is a U.S. citizen. She's 42 years old and she has a GED. She states that if she were, we were asking for a lower bond on these cases, Your Honor. We believe that she has at most $1,000 to post. On the new case, we unfortunately didn't file a motion to bond. I think it's because perhaps my office filed it with the JMAG and because it was still a P file. But we are requesting a bond reduction, Your Honor, on all of these cases. She is a U.S. citizen. She states that she will be working as a landscaper and that she has been a landscaper with her mother-in-law. Her husband is Gage Jefferson, and then she would be residing at 740 Pindale Road, number 6, and that would be here in El Paso. I'm sorry, Your Honor, my son is a little fussy. El Paso, Texas, 79907. Judge, we're requesting a bond reduction to ensure her presence in court. I believe that the total amount of resources she has available would be $1,000 for surety.
Okay, I'm seeing a cause number 2023-0D07956. Is that the one you're talking about, Mr. Dunham?
Yes, Your Honor, that I believe was indicted after we filed the motions on these cases.
Okay, and that appears to have a date of offense of June 7th, 20. Okay. So it's not a 2023 case. Okay, anything else, Mr. Dunham?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Ortega?
Yes, Your Honor. This defendant, it's my understanding that she absconded when she was on probation and failed to report within a number of months. We did receive the violation notice for that one initially. We don't have the updated one, but if we did have it, the state would be filing an amended motion on the probation cases to show that when she was picked up recently, she picked up a failed to ID. We believe that's because she was at warrant on these other cases due to the nature of the offenses and the fact that Ms. Marquez is facing 2 first-degree felonies along with other third degrees. We would respectfully ask that the bond be kept high, especially for the probation cases for which she failed to appear. Thank you.
So, bear with me. 21. How many probation cases do we have? I thought, let me see.
So I'm
Sure,
showing.
Your Honor.
Yes, I'm showing she's on it's for 2 fraud ones ending in 2725 and then 2018 0D01848 a possession less than or 1 to 4 grams.
Okay. And so 2208 and now we have 7956 are our 2 new cases. Okay. Is let me see 79. Oh, that just came out. Okay. So is she booked on the cause number ending 7956?
Check, Your Honor.
I don't
I'm checking the jail links and I don't see her booked on that cause number. Oh no, it just got indicted. Yes, she's booked on it. 10,000.
Yes, I thought that's that one with date of offense 6/7/22. So the only real new case, so to speak, is that failure. Okay. Monday.
Right, but she,
I need to interrupt. Erica froze. She asked me to let you know.
Oh,